Never underestimate the power of a good brochure, as they provide the basic background to your business and answer common questions in a quick, friendly manner. We've gathered a list of 10 professional brochure templates perfect for any business owner. All items featured in this video are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based library of over 1 million digital creative assets. From brochures and business cards, to video templates, royalty-free music, and WordPress themes to build your business's online presence. There's a realm of content to help streamline your workflow. Click the link below to see the subscription options and select a plan that's right for you. Number 10. Gradient Square Brochure Template by Lucas. Stand out with this unique square design. This Illustrator template features a clean, modern look with elegant gradient highlights that will make you stand out from the competition. Just switch out the cover photo placeholder and text for a print-ready brochure. Number 9. Clean Brochure / Catalog Template by Kahuna Design. Minimalist brochures provide all the information you need in a convenient, sleek package, and this amazing template is no different. Enjoy an exquisite design that features 30 pages, editable layers, and 2 color options. Perfect for architecture firms, photographers, fashion, or travel magazines. Number 8. Brochure by Design Soul 14. Take your business to the next level. This corporate brochure features 16 unique pages compatible with InDesign. Highly recommended for agencies, corporate, and tech companies alike. It comes with a 2-tone color scheme that can be modified to match your logo. Number 7. Business Brochure Template by Adec Photografia. This multi-purpose brochure includes 12 print-ready, easily customizable pages. Works great as a corporate flyer for presenting your services or as a product sheet. All text is set with free fonts and download links are provided in the file. Everything you see is editable right in InDesign. Number 6. Multi-Purpose Brochure InDesign Template by Lucas. Need a multi-purpose design that fits your growing business? Then check out this InDesign template. It features a sleek, corporate design with 12 pages, editable text layers, and more. The red and yellow highlights give it a unique look that we're sure will draw attention to your business. If you're enjoying this countdown, be sure to give us a like so we can keep creating these roundups to help you find the items you need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you'll never miss one of our videos. Number 5. Blue Business Brochure Template by ProGH. Incorporate shades of blue into your brochure package with a nice calming effect. This modern template features a clean, corporate design with well-organized layers, text placeholders, and so much more. Great for a corporate identity brochure, presenting your business, or for a specific product. Number 4. Food Brochure Template by Berluthfi. Kickstart your career as the next star in cooking with this amazing template, featuring a rustic, minimalistic design with 30 editable pages available at 200 by 200 millimeters. Great for recipes, food catalogs, and more. Download this template right away to set your food dream in motion. Number 3. DJ/A5 Brochure Template by WooTip. This awesome template includes a unique geometric design with fully editable files that will help you get the best DJ jobs in your area. Use it to outline your services, as an event flyer, or to give your business a modern and trendy look. Number 2. Newsletter Brochure InDesign Template by Lucas. This newsletter brochure features a classic design we're sure you'll love. Inside, you'll get access to 12 pages with infinite color variations and much more. If you're after a timeless look with a unique twist, this template is the way to go. Number 1. Brochure by Ashuris Sharif. Invoke the calm feelings you get from beautiful sky colors with this beautiful brochure. This premium template includes 24 pages, text styles, customizable infographics, and easy-to-edit master pages. The download file includes a link to the font used, so you can get this brochure up and running in no time. There you go, the 10 best professional brochure templates for 2020. Which one did you like the most? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're down there, don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop. Check out the next video selected just for you by clicking on the thumbnail on the right of your screen now.